So, just landed in Hong Kong?
We arrived in Hong Kong at 5 p.m. local time after a fairly arduous 13-hour flight. First order of the day was to collect the Octopus card so that we could get the MTR Airport Express into downtown Central. The Octopus card is a prepaid card that you can use to access all transport systems within Hong Kong. Many shops in Hong Kong also accept this card, so you can use it as payment for goods purchased. Next was a short taxi ride from downtown Central up to mid-levels where our hotel was located.
Is where we are staying in Hong Kong, the 2 MacDonald Road. Rather a grand lift.
Very grand lift. I hope it's
very
a sign of
padded.
what's to come.
So this is our studio. A nice bed, wardrobe space, and then a little kitchenette, which is quite handy if we want some noodles, or bathroom, shower.
We chose 2 MacDonald Road because it was close to Central within easy walking, but also we had some lovely parks on our doorstep and easy access to the top of the Central mid-level escalators, but more of that later.
I won't get one free. We're now in this little restaurant called the Porker. So we've got all these little pigs over here, which you can see. Dip it in here. I'm not sure what that is at all, or what that is.
It's shredded cabbage.
See?
And I think this is what to do with it.
After dinner we used the mid-level escalator, a brilliant way to take the strain out of the climb back to our hotel. Day 2 started with an excellent breakfast at the hotel.
Yeah.
We had a walking tour planned, but it didn't start until 10 a.m, so we had to wander down through downtown Central, including Marks and Spencer's.
We're just going over to Central Pier now. Catch a ferry, Star Ferry. The upper deck experience using my Octopus card.
Hong Kong's iconic Star Ferry has been running since 1888 and is a must for any visitor. It runs between Central and Tsim Sha Tsui on Kowloon side. The 10-minute ride offers stunning skyline views for as low as $3.20 on a weekday and $4.20 on weekends. A must-do experience, blending scenic beauty with a bit of history. Then we were back on Central side at the meeting point for our walking tour. Our tour began with a brief introduction of political, legal and economic situation in Hong Kong both before and after the handover. Next, a Feng Shui battle which took place in Hong Kong in the 1990s.
We're just enjoying this walking tour at the moment, and we're going to, was it St John's Cathedral now?
$1 million Buddhism, $1 million Taoism, and for Catholic it's 500,000. A lot of royal family.
Next was a visit to Central mid-levels escalator, which is what we used every day as a convenient way to get back to the hotel. Hong Kong's Central mid-levels escalator is the longest outdoor covered escalator system in the world, stretching over 800 metres. This unique transit system connects the bustling Central Mid-Business District to the mid-levels residential area. Opened in 1993, it serves as a convenient and scenic commute for the thousands that use it daily, helping residents and tourists navigate the city's steep slopes with ease. The escalator flows downhill in the morning and uphill in the afternoon, adapting to the city's dynamic rhythm. Along the way, you'll pass through vibrant neighbourhoods, trendy shops and iconic eateries. This was Lan Fong Yun, which is the reigning champion when it comes to Hong Kong style milk tea. Followed by Tai Chong Bakery, which has earned bragging rights for being the favourite eatery of Hong Kong ex-Governor Chris Patten, and where a custard tart was the order of the day. For the brilliant walking tour, it was time to revisit my childhood and show Julie around the Royal Hong Kong Yacht Club, which I was lucky enough to enjoy temporary membership of during our stay. We then returned to Central using an electric tram, or ding-ding to them, due to the sound they make at every stop. So on our doorstep, and something we walk through every day, is the wonderful zoological and botanical gardens.
So we are at the, just below our hotel actually, the Hong Kong Zoological Gardens.
Can't quite believe it, can you? Right in the middle of this massive city.
You can hear the birds. There's aviary over here. You can hear the birds twittering away and in the trees.
They're flamingos, are they? So this is where we are staying, in a building a little bit further back, with the kind of concave or convex windows. Well, we're off out again. We've just got in, going back out because we want to see the light show. We're going to get across to the Star Ferry to Kowloon. Much busier tonight. Just waiting for the light show to start now. This is the only Michelin restaurant I've been in.
We hope you enjoyed part 1 of our trip to Hong Kong. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, it helps us immensely. Next time we will be visiting the south side of Hong Kong Island, including Repulse Bay and Stanley.
Is it it hot.
We enjoy a street food and market tour on Kowloon side, glass bottom cable car to Big Buddha on Lantau Island,
Hello.
and finally a trip up to the peak for some fabulous views. See you next time.